Hi, this is Michael Street, and if you're considering buying an older home, here's what to look for in the attic. Few quick things. One, if you can see the rafters of the attic, then the insulation's too low. It should be about 12 to 14 inches. Here it's about maybe 6. You need to add about 10 inches of insulation. Next thing, look at the attic here. See, it's damaged from water. There's something wrong with the roof in that area, or was something wrong with the roof in that area. You'll want to have that checked out. The next deal is these vent pipes, mechanical exhaust vent from the bathrooms. Those pipes put moist air into the attic, and they should be going to the exterior over there, or maybe to the soffit vent. Last thing, and a more expensive item, is this ducting for the AC system. That's going to need to be replaced. Okay, those are just a couple of things, and they can save you a ton of money if you're considering an older home. Michael Street, Fidelity Home Inspection, going places that no one else goes to save you money.